Welcome to my second YouTube video ever. I appreciate all the love and support I've gotten off my first video. It's been quite unbelievable. So let's get down. This is 5 tips and tricks for beginner streamers. Number 1, gear. Okay, so everyone, my gear recommendations is the Logitech C920 Pro webcam, retailing for around £85. I don't know what happened then. It was legit about £50, right? And with COVID-19, it skyrocketed like to the moon. So what I would do is I would wait actually before buying the webcam and make sure you can get it at a cheaper place where you can actually do so. The C920, it's phenomenal. It's got great autofocus, great auto exposure. Works very well. It's got a very nice microphone, built-in microphone, and a very nice color grading system. Make sure you pick it up when you can. It is very good. Plug it straight into the PC and it works a dream, so why not? But we've partnered with Number One. Get a goddamn light, okay? Now I'm sick of everyone after the Elgato key light, and I know it's an Elgato key light. I want it too, but I'm poor, I tell you. I've got a ring light, not just any ring light, an Amazon ring light, retailing for around £12 to £15, you lot. Get yourself a ring light, okay? You put it on the back of your monitor, just behind the camera. This is the light, this is the only light I use in my live streams, okay? And I've got it right behind my camera. Change the color system to brighten up that beautiful face of yours, and you're absolutely golden. A good camera, and I can't say this enough, a good camera will always look dreadful in terrible lighting. Get yourself a light. It'll make all the difference. Number 3, a microphone. It depends on your budget, okay? If you can afford, the best microphone setup is an XLR microphone. You go on Google, type in XLR. You will need an audio interface to actually get it working. But for crisp audio, an XLR microphone is absolutely essential. But guys, I'm going on the assumption that you've just started out Twitch. That is what the channel's all about. Progressing you lot to your first 100 followers and beyond. We're all going to grow together here. So what I recommend from the deepest depths of my heart, the Blue Yeti USB microphone. Okay, it's a plug-and-play. It's a plug-and-play USB microphone. You plug it straight into your PC. It's got phantom power. It's all built in, and it works like a dream. I've actually fine-tuned my Blue Yeti settings to be practically the best settings, the best mic settings on Twitch. That's helped with plugins, VST plugins, which I will be doing a video currently, hopefully in the next few weeks for you guys. So if you want to see how to get your Blue Yeti sounding the best it can be, that'll be coming up soon. So I 100% recommendation, get the Blue Yeti microphone. Everything that I am talking about will be linked down below. Number 2, shall we? Okay, everyone. That's the gear out the way. Growth. Everyone wants to be the biggest name on Twitch, and it won't happen overnight. Let's be real. It takes years, absolutely years, for people to skyrocket their channels. People have been streaming with 30 viewers, 30 to 50 viewers, maybe for a while, but some people don't even get that. Some people are stuck on 10 viewers, like myself. But it won't last that way. It won't last that way. Growth can happen. It's about meeting new people, creating friendships, creating like a bond with other streamers. Everyone is trying to get to that end goal, all right, and be the biggest streamer on Twitch. But you don't have to do it on your own. Make friends, make alliances, be nice, be respectful, just make friends. If you help out other streamers, they will help you back. And the amount of amazing people that I randomly found through just scrolling through Twitch, and I've actually created a friendship with these people and helped them, and they've helped me. It works, okay? It works. And don't be using that as an excuse just to gain followers, okay? That's on you. That's on your personality. And everyone's got an amazing personality. An absolute amazing. Now you're like, I'm not a huge streamer, okay? Damn, I ain't got 1K yet. I haven't even got 500 followers yet. And maybe you're thinking, well, Atomic, why, James, why are we listening to you? You clearly don't know anything. Hey, shut your mouth, okay? Listen, I've been doing this for around 6 months now, and I have learned so much where people have come into my streams and they've been like, yo, you've got a really professional looking stream. How do I get a professional looking stream? Your microphone sounds amazing. I want my microphone to sound amazing. Help me, please. Help me. And I'm like, dude, you know what? Let's make a YouTube channel. Let's like help these people. So even though I'm not a successful streamer, I'm 100% know what it takes to build a community, a lovely, heartwarming community, and make some great friends on this platform. So yeah, so I do know what I mean, trust me. I hope I do anyways. Everyone starts from zero. Me, you, the biggest streamers out there, everybody starts from nothing. Make yourself known, get on other people's streams, make some friends, and build a core audience. I believe in you. And don't do follow for follow. Never do follow for follow. Oh my god, I don't know how many times I've got to say this. Never do follow for follow. If you follow somebody and they follow you and you're like, oh, I've got a follower. They don't care about you. They don't give a damn about you. They are only looking for what you are looking for, and that is a follower. And this is why you get big streamers with 5k followers and practically 2 viewers. Because they probably did follow for follow. It never works, and don't do it. Make friends and make connections. Number 3, your branding. People seriously underestimate branding on the channel. But I don't know, Mr. Yin, what is branding? Well, branding's you, Michael. Okay, branding is you, all right? Branding is what you're showing to people. Here on my streams, I wear a panda hat. This is my setup right now, guys. I have some cool lighting. I play some lo-fi music on my channel and have a great laugh. We play some video games and we do just chatting streams. We help each other. If people are having a bad day, we talk about it because we care for each other. We kind of want to create this channel where people can finish work, finish school, finish college, chill out, have a laugh, and just hang out with your friends. You know what I mean? Like, that's the kind of channel and content I pursue on my Twitch. You lot, maybe don't copy, maybe do something else. You might be a professional gamer where people look up to from tips how to get good at a certain video game. Boom, you might be an artist showing off your incredible artwork to the nation. Okay, everyone is special and everyone has got something about them that people like, that people cling on to. You've got it. Find your personality, find yourself, and find your branding. Number 4, your room. This is your space. This is your canvas that people look into through your webcam. Yes, I have a blank wall right now, but no, I don't, because I have some lovely, lovely padding on my walls, which I like daily. Guys, if your people like things to look at while you're streaming, if that's posters on your wall, your favorite brands, your favorite bands, Marvel or DC, plushie on your desk or counter, people like to know what you're interested in. If that's Pokemon or anime, anything like that, something people can connect with. There's a lot of people out there where they watch streamers and they're like, I don't really know what to say. you know, it's tricky for some people to start a random conversation. But if they see something in the backdrop where they're like, oh, dude, they're really cool lights in your background. Like, and I'm like, thanks, dude. You're welcome, man. How are you doing to the channel? People like that. People want something that's engaging and something that people can relate to. So always make your room cool, all right? Like, and even if you're streaming out your basement or your wardrobe, right? Get yourself a green screen. Oh my God, you lot. You have no idea how good a green screen is. Get a sheet, get a curtain, paint your wall, get it nice and green, slap it on the wall, and it works. On OBS, there's a setting with filters where you can switch it on and off. Boom, you are like invisible all around your body and no one can see your backdrop. And really, it's really professional looking, very professional looking. So I would 100%, if you don't have a room or a space where you're streaming at that you can't show off a lot of your personality, I don't know what this was, a lot of your personality, get a green screen. Honestly, mine was cheap. Mine's in the backdrop right here. And it was around £20, 20 UK pounds. So not overly dear. Definitely don't get one from Elgato. Don't do it. But yeah, man, works absolutely fine. I don't use it in my live streams because I like my room. But yeah, definitely use it if you can. Or you don't have the space to show off your personality, hands down. And number 5. Make your stream stable. Yet again, guys. When I first started this, and I didn't have the slightest idea with PC gaming, how to set up Streamlabs or OBS Studio, all this palaver, I didn't have a clue. My friend helped me, but he gave me the information that I needed. And when I first started streaming, my internet flopped. Okay, my bitrate was messing up. My mic audio, my video audio was louder than my mic audio. Oh, it was horrendous. And I just want to say that you lot will have all these issues when you're first starting Twitch. You will have issues with your microphone and having a stable connection and all this palaver. I think having issues with streaming is definitely something that a lot of people go through. And you will overtake it. But for one, with bitrate issues, because I had that the most. If you go on a website called Twitch Inspector, what you do is you sign in with your Twitch account and run a fake test stream. It all shows you what happens on the website. But yeah, basically it'll run a fake stream like you're live, but you're not getting any messages. No one can see you. And it will give you your diagnostics of your stream, and it will give you a recommended bit rate, which you can put actually in your OBS to make it run a lot smoother. And the higher the bit rate, the better quality the view will have. But trust me, do what Twitch Inspector tells you to, and you'll have a absolute fine running stream without any issues. Do that. Make sure the viewer is having a very good viewing experience, and it'll help you a lot in the long run, trust me. But everyone, I'm not a pro streamer, okay? But I enjoy streaming so much. Like I said, any advice or a deeper dive into my points, my Discord, my Twitch is linked down below in the description. Please don't be afraid to message me. I'll probably speak into more detail over there anyways. Everyone is absolutely welcome in my Discord and on my Twitch. So please check them out. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future. And yeah, I believe that's it. Also, I just want to add that I don't hate on PS4 streamers. I was one. But and I know how hard it is to grow, and I will be doing a video for PS4 streamers in the future to have the best looking PS4 stream that you can do. So definitely stick around for that. But yeah, for now, be amazing, be true, and be you. Okay. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.